Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use MakeCode Arcade. MakeCode Arcade is an amazing online platform that empowers you to create your very own retro-style arcade games using block-based coding. It's designed to be super user-friendly, making game development accessible to everyone, regardless of their coding experience. You can drag and drop code blocks, or even switch to JavaScript or Python for more advanced. The MakeCode Arcade interface is thoughtfully organized into several key areas. On the left, you'll find the game simulator, which instantly shows your game in action as you code. The central area is your workspace, where you drag and drop colorful code blocks to build your game's logic. To the right, the toolbox provides all the different categories of blocks you'll need, from sprites to game mechanics. It's a very intuitive layout. With your frame ready, it's time to attach the sail. Carefully secure your circular fabric to the dowel frame using strong tape or glue, ensuring it's taut and evenly stretched. Next, we'll set up the bridle, which is crucial for flight. A 3-point bridle system offers excellent balance. Attach bridle lines to the top, bottom, and center of your kite, then connect these to your main flying line. This setup helps the kite catch the wind at the correct angle. Once you've started building, testing your game is crucial. The simulator allows you to play your game instantly, helping you identify and fix any bugs or glitches. Don't be afraid to iterate and refine your code. When your game is polished and ready, MakeCode Arcade makes sharing incredibly easy. You can generate a unique web link to send to friends and family, or even download your game to a compatible handheld device. It's a fantastic way to showcase your creativity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.